Hello everyone, welcome to a video for Kids Tech. And today we'll be talking about Python. Python is a coding language that many developers use for their video games. And probably many applications that you use day to day is created with Python. Other ones are probably created with Java or HTML, but Python is very big in the coding world. So first thing to become a Python coder is to actually download Python. So you type in Python downloads into your search bar on your thing, like Python. Yeah. And then it will show you here. If you are here when you go into there, then you're at the right spot. Download Python 3.8.3. Download it into your downloads folder. Save it, but I already have it, so I don't need to save it. And open it, and then you follow all the instructions and then you download it from when you opened it. Also, if you have a Microsoft computer, I don't know if Mac or Linux has this, but you could type in Python into the App Store or whatever, and then you press on Python 3.8 if you're using Windows right here. And then it pops this up, download it, and then boom, it's good. So if now you're ready to open your own script in Python, open Python up, and then you'll be ready to go on your journey to become a coder. See you next time.